Good morning. My name is Owen, metric number 261761, and today I'll be presenting to you my final presentation for class STIW 2044 mobile programming. So this is my app, which is called Drop Bites, and it's a food delivery app. So I'll be presenting to you all the functions of this app. So to start, we will restart the app to see the splash screen. So this is the splash screen, and then the login page. We have our email address, password, and a few buttons. So let's start off with as a guest. So if we click on the guest, we straight get directed to the main menu. So these are all the items that are available to us. So we can look through all of it and we can sort it based on the type. So these are appetizers, and we have entrees, beverages, and the dessert. So we can click into whichever item that we find interesting. So here we have the name, we have the price, we have the description, we have the type of food, and the rating. So this is like 3.5 stars. And then we can choose how many portions that we want to order, and we can add it to cart. But because this is we are not logged in as a user, we're only a guest, so it prompts us to either log in or we cannot place the order. And it's the same for everything. This one we cannot add as well. And because we are guests, we cannot see our card, so it prompts us to log in as well. And in the drawer, there we can see we are in guest mode. So we have a menu here to go. We have the option to go to the menu, but all the other screens are disabled. So let's try to log in. So here, let's try to register a new account first. So here we can pick the image that we want to use. So let's just use a random picture first. And these text fields are auto validating. So if someone were to enter a wrong email format or wrong phone number format, it will display an error and it won't let them register. And here we have to view the EULA. So this is the EULA for Drop Bytes. And at the end, we can accept the terms of the EULA. So once we accept, it ticks this bar and we can register now. So register, this is a confirmation, and then registration successful. So now we can proceed to login. And if you want to make it easier, we can click this remember me. So the next time we come into the app, automatically our credentials will be here. And oh yeah, one more thing is the forget password. So if someone were to forget their password, they can send a reset password email to the email, but this is just a dummy email, so it doesn't work. But if they were to enter it, an email will be sent to them and they will be able to reset their email with a link provided in that email. So moving on, we are done with the login screen, so let's log in. And this is the same thing. This is the main menu. We can go inside and view the items, and we have our cart. So this is our cart. Currently it's empty because it's a new account. And let's try to add a few items. And let's say I want one avocado toast and a drink, orange juice, and a dessert. Let's say ice cream. Yeah, okay. So now I've added the three items, and in our cart, we can see that we have chocolate ice cream, the fresh orange, and the avocado toast. And then we have the amount of items, so one, two, three items, and the total price. And to delete an item, let's say I don't want the fresh orange, so I can toggle it here, and I can click on the delete button, so I'll be able to discard, and the fresh orange is gone, and everything's reset, two items, and the latest uh, total price. So because this is a new account currently, we can see that we have no credits. So in order to place that order, we actually have to reload our credits first. We can reload it here, or if we proceed in the cart menu, we will actually be redirected to the reload page because we don't have enough credits. So let's try placing the order without sufficient funds. And so before uh, placing the order, we have to first set our location. So once we click on select location, we'll be redirected to the Google Maps, and then from here we can click Find Me, which will automatically search for the phone's coordinates. Yes, and then it will automatically find us and set the location. So we can confirm the location, and now we can place the order. But because we don't have sufficient credits, it will redirect us to the that it says that we have insufficient credits and we should reload first. So we can reload, let's say 300, and it takes quite some time, but it will redirect us to the web view. Okay, so this is the web view for bill please. So here we have the company, which is supposed to be drop bytes. We have the bill ID, date, and then we can see drop bytes, and we have our name and email here, and then the total amount that we want to add to our credit. So let's simulate a payment, and we will simulate a successful payment. And that we get the reload receipt, we have the receipt ID, we have the email, amount, status, date, and time. So after this, we can go back, and that successfully reloaded 300, and then we get this like previous reload, and the 250 was here before I reloaded because I actually used this email before recording this video. So the 250 was a previous attempt of reloading. So we can go back. So now we can place the order, and then confirm to place the order, and then new order is placed. So after the order is placed, we can view our orders here in the my orders button, and this is the screen. So so because I used this email before, so there are previous orders here from when uh, previous times. So this is the latest one. It's 23rd July and 14 ringgit. Yeah. So these are the order details. We have the order ID, we have the date, total, and the items that for this order, and it's a list view. So in case there are a lot of items, the user will be able to scroll and view all of it. And then we have the address here, and same goes for everything. There, if it's longer, then we can see the list view. So that should cover the orders part. So let's go into the account. Oh yeah, one more thing is that once we place the order, our cart will automatically be emptied, so we can start over with another order. So we have the menu, we have the card, and the reload screen. Then next is the account, which is here. So we have the name, and this X is whether or not the user is verified. So if the user is verified, it will be a tick, which I will show later. So we have the email, we have the phone, and this is a simple statistic. So there we have three orders, which we can view here. We have three orders, and then 18 items, and total credit spend is 163. And we joined the 23rd July, which is today. And then we can edit our information here. So let's edit the photo first. So we get into the file manager, and then just upload image, sorry, and that we can change the our profile image. And to change the other details, we have here name, email, password, and phone number. So let's say John, that we get the name John Wick 2, and the same goes to the others. Email, password. If password, we get this old password and new password. And if the old password is wrong, it rejects this change, and the phone number as well. So yeah, that should cover the user my account. And one more thing is the admin privileges. So I'll show the admin part with a special account. So this is the account with a legit email, so I was able to verify it. So when it's verified, it's a tick. And if this account is an admin account with admin privileges, we get this extra button to view all the items. So this is everything in the menu, and we will be able to edit everything in it. So let's just say we want to edit the name of an item. So we change it to avocado bread, and that we get this avocado bread. So if you want to change the price, that we change it to 12 credits. And same goes to the type. We will be able to choose from only these four. And then we have the description, which is longer, so we will be able to type a lot of things in it. And also the image. So in image, we can select an image. So let's just use this dummy image and upload. So automatically it gets uploaded and changed here. And one more thing is that we will be able to add new items. So let's add a new item. So first we select an image. So that. Okay, so we have it here, item is added. So it should be under here somewhere. That shrimp cocktail. It's 15. And that we have everything is here. And if we go to the menu, it should be here as well. So yeah, the image that we changed just now, avocado toast, and it became bread, and the image is changed as well. So the new item it's here. That we have the name and everything, but because the description is very short, so it's like this. And that should be it. Thank you.